This video will teach you how to install the Shopify app, upload and sync your book with your stores, and learn the fulfillment process. Log in to your Shopify account. Click Add to include new elements or features to your Shopify admin panel. Then select Shopify App Store to browse and install apps that enhance your store's functionality. On the search bar, type BiblioDispatch and initiate the search. Select the app BiblioDispatch as listed. Hit Install to add the app to your Shopify store. Click Install again to confirm the app installation within your Shopify admin. When redirected to BiblioDispatch, select Access Portal to enter the main dashboard of the BiblioDispatch app. Log into your BiblioMax account if you already have. If not, create an account. Enter your credentials in the fields for account verification or login. Check your registered email address for the verification email. Once located, verify your email to continue the process. A confirmation prompt will appear. Now head back to your Shopify account. Click Apps to view and manage installed applications in your Shopify store. Open the BiblioDispatch app to enter the web portal. Hit Access Portal to enter the main interface of the BiblioDispatch application. Now let's add a book. Press Add Book button to start. When redirected to biblioauthor.com, answer the question to proceed. Enter your new book title here. Add a short description, max 350 characters, to add a brief summary of your book. Now add a full description of the book, max 1,250 characters, to provide a detailed overview. Enter the price of your book in USD. Select your book's dimensions. If it's not listed below, click here and contact us so we could provide you your needs. Select the appropriate binding style for your book. If you have a fully colored page or pages, select yes. If not, then no. Choose between a glossy or matte cover lamination. Choose the correct paper type and ink used for your pages. For black and white, there is plain or cream matte paper. For fully colored pages, use full color on satin white paper. And for pages with mix of both black and white in color, choose mix on satin white paper. Enter the number of all pages used for your book. Add the appropriate fields for contributor name and type. If no contributors, add yourself and select author as the type. If you want to sell books, tick the first option. If your book is a personal project or a legacy book, tick the second option. When selling a book, you will require your own personal or universal ISBN. This ISBN is for your book alone. Free ISBNs from sites like KDP and Amazon cannot be used on any other site. You must get a new ISBN from Bowker or Universal One from a publisher like Glass Onion Publishing. Set your book's publishing date. Enter the name of the publisher to add your publishing company information. Click Yes to confirm if your book cover contains a barcode. If not, you can generate one using your Universal ISBN. Click here to generate. Then click Next to proceed. Fill in these fields with the appropriate details that best describes your book. You can trigger the drop-down menus by typing the first few letters of categories and genres. Add specific tags or keywords related to your book or add personal tags yourself, maximum of 3. Then click Next to proceed. Click the Browse image and upload your book thumbnail image. Once done, tick the box below to proceed, then click Review and Submit. After submitting, your book will undergo printing and will be live within 72 hours. If you go and check My Books page, you will see that your recently added book is under printing process. When done, your book will be moved to My Books section where it is already up and published, ready to be synced to your stores. Going back to BiblioDispatch under Listings page, you will notice that the status is up and ready for syncing with your Shopify store. Click Ready to Sync to begin the process. Confirm the book name you want to sync. Tick the appropriate stores where you want your books to be synced. Tick the confirmation section, then submit. A pop-up prompt will show on the top right corner of the page when successful. If so, head to Listings page to check if your book confirmed the syncing. A successful sync will show this status code as indicated. You can also verify in your Shopify store under Products if the book is visible. Now let's try ordering your book from your store. When customers buys your product in your store and completes the process, the payment will go to your sales. You will now see under Pending Orders all your customers' order requests. Remember that all pending orders listed here are already paid for. All you need to do is select that order and pay the print and shipping costs to start the process. Once your payment is complete, the order will be sent to the printer and they will handle the shipping as well. Your transaction history will log this and will also be visible in Orders page marked as paid. Feeling lost in the process? Need more detailed assistance? Email us at team@glassownglobal.com. And that's it. You have successfully installed the BiblioDispatch app in your Shopify store, uploaded a book title, and learned how the fulfillment process works. Remember, as the store owner, you still have the control to start the fulfillment process and take control. Once that process initiates, everything from printing to shipping is automated.